Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make Instagram group member an admin. So if you want to turn a group member to an admin on your Instagram group, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the messenger icon at the top right. Then locate and click on the Instagram group chat. Once you selected that, click on the Instagram group chat name. Now, go ahead and click on people. To make your Instagram group member an admin, click on the three dots on the name and then come here and locate and click on make admin. Then this particular person is going to turn to admin on your Instagram group page. So you can repeat this on all the group members you want to make admin. And then you're good. So these people will be able to add or remove members from the group chat, and then they'll be able to carry out the admin role. So that is exactly how to make a group member an admin on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.